What is digital cloning? Imagine a version of you that can speak, think, and even act like you without actually being you in real time. Sounds futuristic, right? That is the idea behind digital cloning. Digital cloning is the process of creating a virtual replica of a real person using artificial intelligence, data, voice samples, facial mapping, and behavior patterns. This clone is not a physical copy, but a highly realistic digital version that can mimic how a person talks, responds, and sometimes even makes decisions. So how does it actually work? First, AI systems collect large amounts of data from a person. This can include videos, voice recordings, social media posts, writing style, and even facial expressions. Then, machine learning models analyze this data to understand patterns. Once trained, the AI can generate responses or actions that feel incredibly human-like. One of the most common uses of digital cloning today is in voice cloning. With just a few minutes of audio, AI can recreate a person's voice so accurately that it becomes almost impossible to tell the difference. Similarly, video-based digital clones can generate lifelike avatars that move and speak like real humans. But why is digital cloning becoming so important? In entertainment, it can bring historical figures back to life or allow actors to appear in movies without being physically present. In business, digital clones can act as virtual assistants, customer service agents, or even personalized tutors that represent real experts. In healthcare, it may one day help simulate doctor-patient interactions or support mental health therapy. However, digital cloning also raises serious concerns. If a person's digital clone can speak or act independently, who is responsible for its actions? What happens if it is used to spread misinformation or fake content? These ethical questions are still being debated worldwide. There is also the issue of consent and privacy. Your digital identity is valuable, and without proper protection, it could be copied or misused without permission. Despite the risks, many experts believe digital cloning will become a major part of our future. As AI continues to improve, digital clones may become common in daily life, helping us work, communicate, and even preserve our identity beyond physical limits. In the end, digital cloning is not just about copying humans. It is about redefining what it means to be present in a digital world. And maybe the biggest question is this: if a perfect digital version of you exists, what does you really mean anymore?